हरियाणा की हर अपडेट के लिए बेल आइकन दबाएं और सब्सक्राइब करें STV हरियाणा न्यूज।
Responsive system of lockdowns. India was among the first to advocate the use of masks and face covering as a public health measure. We are also among the earliest to create public awareness campaigns about social distancing. In record time, medical infrastructure was scaled up, be it COVID hospitals, ICU capacities, and more. Starting from one testing lab in January, we now have around 1,600 labs across the country. The outcome of these efforts has been that a country with 1.3 billion people and limited resources has one of the lowest death rates per million in the world. The recovery rate is also steadily rising. I'm happy that our business community, in particular small business, been proactive. From almost nothing, they made us the second largest PPE kit manufacturers in the world. This is in line with India's spirit of challenging the challenge to emerge stronger. In the last few months, the nation has battled COVID and other natural crises such as floods, 2 cyclones, locust attack. But it has only made the people's resolve stronger. Friends, through the entire COVID-19 period and the lockdown, the government of India was clear on one thing: the poor have to be protected. The Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana for India's poor is among the largest support system seen anywhere globally. Free food grain is being provided to 800 million people. This scheme operates for 8 months. 800 million people means more than double of USA's population. Free cooking gas is being provided to around 80 million families. Cash support has been provided to around 345 million farmers and needy people. The scheme has given much needed employment for migrant workers by creating almost 200 million percentage of work. Friends, the pandemic has impacted several things, but it has not impacted the aspirations and ambitions of 1.3 billion Indians. In the recent months, there have been far-reaching reforms. These are making business easier and red tapeism lesser. Work is actively underway on the world's largest housing program. The renewable energy infrastructure is being expanded. Rail, road, and air connectivity is being boosted. Our country is creating
तो पैंडेमिक से लेकर हर एक उस तबके को छूने की कोशिश यहां पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी कर रहे थे, जहां कहीं पर भी इस वक्त भारत में सबसे ज्यादा सुधार